Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking for a first time here at Rancho Vista Elementary School in Rancho Vista, California, home of the Roadrunners. And it was a true honor. I spoke to TK through fifth grades, all the grades and students and staff. And the main focus, it being Red Ribbon Week, was about making healthy choices, right? And so tying it into one of my primary programs and topics that I focus on was positive life choices, and the sub-focus about being our best self. So we really try to not only just focus on making the healthy choice as it relates to the foods that we eat, the drinks that we drink, our sleep habits, being safe. We are very conscious of all that, but we're also conscious of making the very positive life choice and very important choice of loving ourselves first and foremost, because before we do love who we are and love our body and try to give this love to others, then we really can't be doing our best, right? We can't be giving all that we can for this planet. And like the shirt that I wore today talks about, keep your head up, upside down on purpose. It's a reminder to always think positive no matter what, that when we do have these negative thoughts that creep in, that we don't buy into that, right? That these lies that people say that we're not good enough or that we can't do something, that we're not smart enough, that we're not pretty enough, that we're not enough, that we don't believe that, but we focus on something more positive. And we know that, yes, times will get hard and we're gonna have to go through a tough problem in school or a tough situation. Maybe we get cut from a team. There could be so many different things, but we keep going. And we also talk about the opposite of success as not failure, but giving up or quitting. So many times we think that if we fail, that makes us a failure, or if we make a mistake, that we're a mistake, but we're not. And we have to also remember our worth and our value. So, like I always mention, the M on all of our palms, I traced one of mine here, but with the lines of our hands, we have the M, which stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it, and that we deserve love, and that we are worth everything, right? And once we really buy into that, know our own potential, know that we can go further than we originally thought we could, then the next part of being our best self is not just giving our best effort, right? But now helping someone else, lifting them up higher than ourselves, or at least to our level, if not beyond, and really trying to encourage them, to motivate them to, be their champion too. And just like the lessons we talk about from geese, right? That these geese, if one gets sick or tired, two always follow it down to help it out until it's feeling better, until it raises itself back up. And that's just like a best friend. So that we treat ourselves right, love ourselves, being Red Ribbon Week, making that healthy choice, but now we go and give that love to others. Again, it was just an amazing day, getting to meet all of you for the first time, getting to hear some of your stories and see your heart, and hope to be back again in the future. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the link here. Hit the notification bell to get future updates on videos like this one. Check out the playlist too for some other amazing clips, and my website to follow my journey across this country as we continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Much love. Peace.